In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your Amazon account off hold. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend that you go over to the Amazon customer service to do this using a web browser. As you can see, all you have to do is look for Amazon customer service on Google and you can access the first page from Amazon.com. Once you arrive at this page, or you can just use the three lines at the left side of the screen over here, customer service, you will be able to pick from a lot of options. If you know exactly why your account is frozen, you can just access the corresponding option and see help from here. But if you believe that you need to talk to a representative or directly talk to someone at Amazon to resolve your issue, simply select something else and then I need more help. And as you can see, you have two options. You can either request a phone call or chat with Amazon. As long as the status says available now, you will be able to talk to an Amazon customer service agent and they will be able to assist you in your specific issue. Because of the various reasons on why your account might be on hold, I cannot provide an answer to each individual query, but like I said, as long as you talk to an agent, you will be able to resolve your specific issue. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your Amazon account off hold. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.